Hey guys, it's Matt for Creative. Here's a quick update with the Veolie. This is the $25 robot vacuum that I got from Target. Now they do have other ones. There is one that's $50 now with like a little UV light that's underneath the unit. But this one is the most basic one that you can get. On the bottom here, just as a little reminder, it has these little whiskers which move the dust and everything into the vent where the vacuum would be, and then it sucks it inside, then that's it. This is supposedly like a little mop. It's literally just here to, I don't know what it really does. It doesn't do much, but what the main part is this. It just turns on, it does its little thing, and it doesn't look like it's going too fast. It doesn't look like these little whiskers are moving a lot. But I want to show you, because I just ran this for about 15 minutes. And, alright, the place is a mess. I just moved, so it looks messy, but in fact, it is clean. Right? Yeah. Exactly. It's clean. I clean, but then I have cats. This is partly your fault, and then partly your fault here as well. Cat hair and dust and just things that, you know, come in when you come in from outside. Like, they're on the ground, and it's kind of hard to clean up those little things. And you don't think there's much. But after 15 minutes of use, let me show you, because I took a peek at this, and this is what it did. So first you take off this top portion, which, by the way, these two little pieces here broke off, but I don't believe it does anything, because this sits in here and it's fine. Those little things don't really matter, but they broke off immediately, and that's the only thing that I've had an issue with. But here is the filter. You can already see, if you look closely, there's some little dirt and dust around here, and I'm going to be cleaning that off as I usually do. I kind of dump this over a trash can, and then I kind of Clorox wipe the top. But look at how much, all right, here, look at that cat hair. Look at all of this here. The filter's doing a great job at actually capturing the dust, and then here is just cat hair. That's a lot of cat hair just for you. Like, the cats are shedding like crazy, but look at the dust, look at everything inside here. It's doing exactly what it needs to do. Now, it may not be flashy. It may repeatedly get stuck underneath the dishwasher so much that I have to put boxes under there, but that's literally it. It does what it needs to. I set it, I go to work. It lasts for maybe about, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so, and then it just naturally, the battery runs out, and then it just stops randomly. When I get home, I empty this out, and then I put it with this little charger which I have by the wall. And it just works. It does exactly what it needs, what it says it does, and I'm extremely happy because of that. So for $25, I always recommend this. I know that they go out of stock a lot, and if you want to give it a try, they do have the $50 one that has the UV light on the bottom, which would kind of sanitize everything as it goes around, and that can't hurt. But that's double the price. This one here does the trick. So I'd say get it. This is the Veolie, O-L-I, and this one I found at Target. They come in a few colors, like this gray, a white, and a green, and oh, I think a pink too. But currently they're out of stock, but take a look, and maybe when this is out, you'll find it here as well. Alright guys, if you have any questions, put it in the comments section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.